Hello everyone, welcome back to Fresher Hire Signals. Today I will explain the Alacriti hiring challenge directly from the official HackerEarth page, step by step. If you're looking for a software job opportunity, this video is important for you. This hiring challenge is hosted by Alacriti Technology Solutions Private Limited. The challenge opens on March 13th, 2026 at 6 p.m. ST and it closes on March 29th at 11:59 p.m. ST. The total test duration will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. So make sure you register before the deadline. Role Overview. Alacriti is hiring Java developers with strong knowledge of Core Java, REST APIs, microservices architecture, and AWS cloud platforms. The role mainly focuses on building secure payment applications and fintech systems. Eligibility. To apply, candidates should have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related field, strong understanding of object-oriented programming, knowledge of Spring or Spring Boot frameworks, basic database knowledge like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Freshers and experienced candidates with up to 6 years experience can apply. Salary details. Salary depends on experience level. For 0 to 2 years experience, Associate Software Engineer role offers 3.6 to 8 lakh per annum. For 2 to 4 years, Software Engineer salary ranges between 6 to 16 lakh per annum. For 4 to 6 years, Senior Software Engineer salary ranges between 10 to 24 lakh per annum. The job location is Hyderabad and it is work from office. Tech stack. The main technology stack includes Java 21, Spring Boot version 3, PostgreSQL or MySQL databases, and AWS cloud services. Challenge format. The hiring challenge has 2 rounds. Round 1 includes 20 MCQ questions, 1 programming question, and 1 SQL question. Round 2 includes 1 project-based question and 5 descriptive questions. Company overview. Alacriti is a fintech company focused on modern digital payment infrastructure. Their systems support real-time payments and financial transactions for global institutions. This makes it a strong product-based engineering environment. To participate, click the Register button, log in or create your HackerEarth account, complete your profile, and join the challenge on the start date. Important note: the test must be taken using a laptop or desktop. Mobile devices are not supported. Important rules. Your answers are automatically saved during the test. Multiple submissions are allowed, and the best submission will be considered. However, the timer will continue running, so ensure stable internet connection. If this video helped you understand the hiring challenge, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Fresher Hire Signals for daily hiring updates. See you in the next update.